Welcome to video. I am Dr. R. Shankar Ganesh, Associate Professor, Department of Automobile Engineering. In this video, concentrate sliding mesh gearbox. First, we understand why we need to gearbox in a vehicle. The engine will be rotating in a very high speed, but it will be having low torque. In order to increase the torque, we need to have gearbox like this. For example, if you moving a vehicle from stationary position, if need more amount of torque to move the vehicle, at that point what we will do is we will reduce the speed of the transmission and we will increase the torque, and thereby will be giving more torque to the vehicle, so it will be moved. Moreover, I will discuss about what is gearbox and main function of gearbox, basic working principle of gearbox, then common types, various type of gearboxes. Then I will particularly discuss about sliding mesh gearbox. Okay, gearbox. Uh, Gearbox is a mechanical device used to transfer power from vehicle engine or motor to its wheel, while allowing the output speed and torque to be adjusted. Right? Then, main function of gearbox: change of speed, one. Second one, reverse motion. Third one, transmit power efficiently. Fourth one is disconnect the drive. Okay, change of speed lets the driver or machine operator choose low speed with high torque or high speed with low torque. Whatever if you want, it will be changed. Right? Reverse motion provides a gear for moving backward. The vehicle will be come back. Okay. Next one is transmit power efficiently. Right? So passes the engine power to the wheel or other driven parts with minimal loss. Okay. So the power efficiently it will be transmitted by using this gearbox. Next one is disconnect the drive. When in neutral or disengaged, it stops the power transfer without stopping the engine. These are all the main function of gearbox. Basic working principle: inside the gearbox, gear of different sizes are meshed together. Like a smaller gear driving a larger gear reduces the speed but increase the torque, and also a large gear driving a smaller gear wheel increase the speed but reduces the torque. It is the basic principle of the gear. Common type of gearboxes. The first one is manual gearbox. Driver changes gears using a gear lever and clutch. Okay, it is manual gearbox. Second one, automatic gearbox. So it is changes gears automatically based on speed and load. Okay. Then continuously variable transmission, right? CVT type. Okay. It is in this type of gear changes the gear ratio smoothly without discrete steps. right? Then next one is planetary gearbox. It is for compact design often used in automotive transmission system. Okay. Manual gearbox, it will be classified. The number one is sliding miss gearbox. Second one, constant miss gearbox. Third one, synchronous gearbox. I will go for explaining sliding miss gearbox. It is the construction of sliding miss gearbox. The component detail, like it is called input shaft, engine shaft is connected with gearbox. It is for the output shaft or main shaft. The next one is, it is called as counter shaft. Okay, all right. So it is for gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, gear 6, 7, 8 number of gears are mounted. See, it is the clutch gear, right? It is the smaller wheel. So it is for the gear number 2 is larger wheel. So the engine speed is slightly reduced for counter shaft. Okay, right? It is the overall construction, and it is for the sliding mesh gearbox, means the like the gear 5 and 6 is sliding, it will be move left and right. Okay, so when it move, the gear 1, if you want gear 1, it will be the gear 5 will be move left side. Okay, so and also if you want to gear 2, if you want gear 2 means the gear number 6 will be move right side. Okay, if you want the third gear means it is the gear will be move connected with the it will be the gear will be connected with the main shaft. Okay, so it is the overall construction of the gearbox. In this gearbox, totally 3 gears: gear 1, gear 2, and third gear or top gear, and also reverse gear also considered. Okay, so the red line is indicate the power movement. Okay, right? So see here, the gear 4 already the gear like a gear 1 and 2 ratio. Gear 1, for example, gear 1 run at 1000 rpm means, so gear 2 it will be run 500 rpm, because of the reason gear 1 is large wheel, gear 2 is gear 1 is smaller wheel and gear 2 is larger wheel, so automatically the speed is reduced. Okay, right? Similarly, like here, the compare the gear 4 and 5, right? So gear 4 is less number of teeth, and gear 5 is large number of teeth. So automatically, moreover, the 500 rpm also reduced to 250 rpm. Okay, so the first gear very low speed and high torque, it will be rotated. The output speed is very low speed, but the torque is very high. Okay, it is second gear. If you go for second gear, the fifth gear is disengaged, then sixth gear is engaged with the third gear. Okay, so as usual, 1 and 2 gear ratio is same to first and second gear, but compared to third and fourth gear, so third gear it is compared to fourth gear, it will be large size. So automatically the gear ratio 3 and 6, okay, it will be the gear as per the gear ratio, automatically speed will be increased. Okay, it is the process of the second gear. It is for the third gear or top gear. Okay, it is the main shaft is directly connected with the engine shaft. Okay, so the maximum engine speed is given to the directly output shaft. Okay, so remaining gear 3, 4, these all the gears are disengaged. The clutch shaft is directly connected with the engine input shaft, that is the top gear. It is for the reverse gear, as usual, gear number 1 clockwise, right? It is for the clutch shaft, okay, input shaft, gear 1, gear 1 clockwise, engine shaft, okay. So then the gear 2, it will be run about anti-clockwise. So totally the counter shaft, it will be rotate anti-clockwise direction, okay. So the seventh gear, it will be also rotate anti-clockwise, but we added so ideal gear number 8, it will be rotate clockwise, okay, right. So the 8th gear rotate clockwise means automatically the 5th gear reverse gear, it will be engaged with gear number 8, okay, it will be rotate anti-clockwise, okay. So automatically the vehicle will be come back, okay. Gear 1 clockwise, gear 2 anti-clockwise, gear 7 anti-clockwise, gear 8 clockwise, so gear 5 automatically anti-clockwise it will be rotate. So the output shaft rotate anti-clockwise direction, automatically the vehicle will be come back. In this gearbox, it is the 4 plus 1 gearbox. So like first gear, second gear, third gear and fourth gear. Fourth gear means it is for the top gear, okay. Then also fourth plus 1, that is reverse gear. As same explanation, the additionally fourth gear only added, okay. It is for the overall diagram is given in the slide. It is the pictorial view of sliding mesh gearbox. See all the gears, right? So all gear 1, it is the main shaft, it is called as counter shaft, okay, right. So it is a wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4, wheel 5, something like this, okay. It is the uh, pictorial view of the sliding mesh gearbox, okay. Nowadays this type of gearbox like a sliding mesh gearbox is not used. Let us see other type of gearbox like a constant mesh gearbox and synchronous gearbox. These types are recently used. We will see in the next video for these two type of gearboxes. Thank you.